What secret does Barcelona's light reveal? Stay. Barcelona wakes early. The city breathes a slow, steady rhythm. First light kisses the ancient stones of the Gothic quarter. It spills across the sand at Barceloneta Beach. It traces the impossible curves of Gaudi's architecture. This is a city of shapes and angles. It is a city of warm, golden light. The air tastes of salt from the sea and coffee from the corner cafes. Every street corner holds a potential masterpiece. Every balcony frames a new story. The city itself is the primary artist. It offers its surfaces as a canvas for others to use. This light is a photographer's dream. It is not harsh or demanding. It is gentle and revealing. It moves with a soft grace across the landscape. The shadows it casts are long and expressive. The human body becomes a piece of living sculpture. It is strong and it is soft. It bends into shapes that seem to defy gravity. An acrobat's body is a testament to discipline and grace. A pose is held, not for a fleeting moment, but long enough for the camera to capture it. Each muscle is engaged. Each line is deliberate. The model's focus is intense. They are not just holding a shape. They are communicating an idea. They are telling a story of balance, tension, release. Imagine a body arched back over an old stone wall. The texture of the skin contrasts with the rough, weathered surface. How a curve of muscle can echo a curve of stone. This art is built on a foundation of absolute trust. Before a single photograph is taken, there is a conversation. The photographer and the model sit down together. They discuss the vision for the shoot. They talk about the poses. They talk about the locations. They talk about the mood. Most importantly, they establish boundaries. The model's comfort and safety are the highest priority. Consent is not a one-time agreement. It is an ongoing dialogue. The model must feel empowered to say no at any time. This respect is not a formality. On location, this trust translates into a calm and focused atmosphere. The team is small and discreet. They work efficiently to get the shot without drawing unwanted attention. Robes, blankets, water, snacks. Light is the third character in every photograph. It is the silent partner that brings the image to life. The photographer is, in many ways, a painter who uses light as their medium. Morning light in Barcelona has a soft, golden quality. It wraps around the body, creating a gentle glow. It is perfect for images that feel serene and hopeful. Midday light is stronger and more direct. It creates deep, dramatic shadows. This contrast can be used to emphasize the power and definition of the model's muscles. The direction of the light is everything. When the light is behind the model, it can create a beautiful silhouette. The body becomes a dark, elegant shape against a bright background. When the light is from the side, it sculpts the body. It reveals every curve and contour. It creates a three-dimensional feeling on a two-dimensional surface. The photographer moves around the model, searching for the angle where the light tells the best story. Do you see how light can change the feeling of a shape? In the narrow streets of the Gothic quarter, shadows play a constant game with the light. A figure can be half in shadow, half in sun. A long shadow stretching across the frame can create a sense of drama or passage of time. Don't blink, one last reveal awaits. In the end, this work is a quiet meditation. It is a reflection on beauty's strength, the places we inhabit. The photographs invite us to slow down. They ask us to look closely at the world around us. They show us the beauty in the curve of a spine, the texture of an old wall. They remind us that the human body is a remarkable instrument. It is capable of incredible feats of grace, power. The nudity in this context feels natural and pure. It is about form line, not about provocation. It is a return to a classical appreciation of the human figure, a conversation between the past, the present, a model in a restful pose on a rooftop, overlooking the city as dusk settles. The lights of Barcelona are beginning to twinkle below. The sky is a soft gradient of purple, orange. The body and the city have shared their secret, and we were lucky enough to witness it.